So today I will be depositing the sum of 400,000 in my MiniPay account. So in case you are finding it difficult to deposit money into your MiniPay account, then this video is for you. I've been having a whole lot of comments asking why is it that I'm not able to deposit into my MiniPay platform. So follow me while I take you step by step on how I'm going to deposit the sum of 400,000 naira right into my MiniPay platform, so that you can be able to pinpoint that particular mistake you have been making or that is hindering you from being able to deposit into your MiniPay platform. The only thing I need you to do right now is to go ahead and click the like button on this video in exchange of the value you're about to get in today's video. And I personally want you to join this beautiful family by doing what? By clicking on that subscription button. Yes, go ahead and smash the subscription button. But hey, after smashing on that subscription button, please do not forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. You know what the bell notification does? It will always notify you anytime we upload informative video just like this one you're watching. Now, with all this being said and done, I believe you've clicked the like button and I believe you've joined the family by clicking on that subscription button. Let's jump straight into the video. So to deposit into your MiniPay platform, all you have to do is just to log in into your that MiniPay account. So once you log into your MiniPay account, this is definitely the interface you are going to see. When you look over here, you discover that we have $37.93. So what we're going to do is to know how much this $37 is when it comes to our local currency. So we're going to turn this down over here to see how much it is. Let's go, guys. So this is how much we have when it comes to our local currency, which is 52,000. So we're going to increase this, right, by depositing. So let's switch over to USDT and proceed with the deposit. If I've got you to this point, click the like button. If you're yet to join this beautiful family, go ahead and click that subscription button. Thank you, guys. So we've switched back. The next thing we're going to do is to click over here that says deposit. So let's click on deposit. So once you click on deposit, you are going to see three different ways you can be able to deposit. The first one is saying through NGN. What does it mean? It means that you want to deposit or fund your MiniPay account using your local bank account, your normal regular bank account. Transfer money there into this MiniPay platform and your account is funded. Now you want to make use of wallets, crypto wallets like a KuCoin, Trust Wallet, Bybit, Binance. You can transfer USDT into this your MiniPay platform, right? Yes, so you can do that. Now the third one is if probably you have friends and families staying abroad, right? They can actually send you money, right? Because you can be able to create dollar and pounds account, like foreign accounts inside this same MiniPay. So once you have that account there and you have any family and friend living abroad, you can send that your pounds and dollars account. Once they transfer into that account, it will hit this your MiniPay platform, right? So this is another way you can fund. But the one we are going to be making use of in today's video is this first one, which is NGN, sending from our local bank account down to our MiniPay platform. So let's proceed, guys. So let's click on NGN. So once you click on NGN, the next thing we're going to do is to type in how much we want to be depositing inside this particular box. So just like I said from the beginning of this video, we'll be depositing the sum of 400,000 naira. So we are going to be typing 400,000 naira into this box. Let's go, guys. So I've typed in the 400,000 into the box. So what we're going to do next is to click over here that says continue and then proceed. Now depositing into this platform is very simple, right? It's user friendly. So let's click on continue. So I've clicked on continue, and for 400,000 we are going to be getting $283.20, and the merchant that this platform recommended or MiniPay recommended for us is partner. So we are going to go ahead and click on continue. So let's click on continue, guys. So I've clicked on continue, and they are saying that we'll be depositing the sum of 400,000, and this is the USDT we are going to be getting. If it is okay for us, let's go ahead and click on buy. So it's okay. Let's click on buy, guys. So I've clicked on buy, and they're asking me to type in my email address. Now the email address they're asking me to type is where they are going to send the code that I will use to facilitate the deposit, right? So I will advise the email address you're going to be typing there is the email address you used in creating this account. Yes, if you have any question, make that comment section your friend. Ask me your question, whatever that is confusing you, I will be there to answer that question. So we're going to type in our email address there and click on continue. Now another thing that might be stopping you from being able to deposit into your MiniPay platform is that when you type in, when you got to this point and you type in your email address and you log into that your email to copy out the code, you will not find any code sent. Now, this is what we are going to do. Instead of going to your primary email address inbox, what you want to do is, or what you are going to do is to go and click on your spam. Yes, click on your spam and you are definitely going to see that code right there in your spam. So if you don't see it in your primary email, just click on spam. Go to spam, you will definitely see that code. So let me type in my email address and let's move over to my email and get the code. So I've typed in my email address, and of course, just like I said, the code came into my spam. Okay, so as you can see over here, this is saying, why is this message in spam? So I got this message in my spam box in my email address. So this is the code. I'm going to copy it and move over to the platform, then paste it there and proceed with the deposit. If I've got to this point, click the like button, join this family if you're yet by clicking on that subscription button. Let's proceed, guys. So I've gone back to the platform, and they're asking me to type in my address, my state, and my local government. Now, the reason why they are doing this is to make sure this is a real account that belongs to a real human being, okay, and that this account is not created for fraudulent activity. So this is simply telling you how trustworthy this platform is, okay. So let's type in my address, my state and local government, and proceed to click on continue. So let's go, guys. So I'm done with that, and we are proceeding with the deposit. Now this is the whole analysis. The 400 I'm depositing, how much the 400 is going to get me for USDT. The transaction fee is free. The dollars at the time I'm making this video is 1,412 naira 42 kobo. This is okay for me, so I'm going to proceed to click here that says confirm and pay. Let's go, guys. So I've clicked on confirm and pay, and they have generated a bank account that I'm going to be transferring this 400,000 into. That the name of the bank account is Paystack Titan. This is the account number that I'm going to be funding the money to. Now, one thing you need to note is that you should make sure to copy this that you are seeing over here. Yes, copy it. And where are you going to paste it? You are going to paste it under your description, your remark, or your narration. So this means that you have to make use of bank app for the transfer. Please do not make use of USSD, or do not go and make use of ATM card, ATM machine, or do not go and meet one POS person one side and say, Alpha, I beg, send this money to this account. They are going to block it. Okay, they are going to. Now the reason why I said you don't have to make use of USSD is that you won't have the opportunity to type in this into your description. If you are using USSD, they don't give you option of typing anything in description or remark, right? Yes, so that is why I said you must make use of bank app. And another thing I say that, or another reason why I say you don't have to make use of ATM machine, is that ATM machine doesn't give you also the option of typing in anything in the description. So that is why I said make use of bank app. And why I say you shouldn't go and meet any POS person and say transfer this amount of money into this account is because that POS person that you meet, or you want him or her to transfer money to this account, the name that the person is having or that POS is bearing is different from that your name that you used in opening MiniPay account. So it simply means that your name cannot be Tosin or Emmanuel, and you are transferring money from Chukwemeka, right? They are going to flag it. You're just sending a red flag that this is a fraudulent activity. You want to take someone's money and send it to your MiniPay platform. They're going to flag it. You won't be able to deposit. So that is it. So I'm going to move over to my bank app so I can practically show you how you can make the deposit. Now I'm in my bank app, and I've already typed in the amount that I want to send, which is 400,000. And of course, this is the remark. Don't add any other thing extra. Don't write payments. You now paste this one. No. The only thing that is going to be in your remark or your description or your narration, depending on the one your bank app is saying, is just this and only this. You don't finish. Now, don't copy this particular one you're seeing on my screen. They are going to generate your own for you. Right? Yes. So that is what you are going to type in there. The next thing you are going to do is just go ahead and click on confirm, and we're going to proceed with the deposit. So let's proceed, guys. So I'm done with the transaction. You can decide to take a screenshot if you want, but it's fine, right? The transaction is always there in your transaction history in your bank app, so you can as well go there and pick it anytime you want. So what we're going to do is to move over to the platform to see if we are able to receive this money, right? So let's move on, guys. So boom, the platform is saying transaction successful. We've received payment of 400,000 and sent USDT 283. So we practically have received this money. It doesn't take time to come. So we're going to move over to our dashboard. But before we move over to our dashboard, if I here to click the like button, go ahead and click that like button. If you're here to join this beautiful family, now what are you waiting for? Smash that subscription button, Jari. So let's move over to our dashboard. Let's see if we're able to receive the money. So this is our dashboard, and over here we are having $321.13, and the money took just 40 seconds to arrive into our bank, so it doesn't take time to come in. Okay, so if you are going to be able to follow this step that I showed in today's video, you are not going to have any issue in depositing or funding your MiniPay platform. So we are going to turn this down to see how much this amount is when it comes to our local currency. So it's equivalent to 442,946 naira. So this is how you can practically smoothly deposit into your MiniPay platform seamlessly without any delay. So let's switch it over to USDT. So this is practically how you can just deposit into it. There is no way you will follow this step that you have any problem. But if you still have anything confusing you and still have any question, please, I want you to make that comment section your friend. Let me know your question. Let me know what is confusing you. I will be there to respond to you. Okay? Yeah. So this is how you can deposit into your MiniPay platform. So guys, I also made a research and I brought out how you can invest your money and earn up to 20 to 23% on your investment. Now you might be investing so far, but the interest you are getting is around 12, 13, 14, or even 16% per annum. But I just figured out how you can earn up to 20 to 23%. Now, how cool is that? So I'm going to be linking the video towards the end of this video. Yes. So what I want you to do is to click on that video and I'm going to show you how to earn up to 20 to 23% per annum. Cheers, guys. Hi there, I'm glad you stick to the end of this video and I really appreciate it. This simply means you really want to do something about your finance and I am rooting for you. Now, I figured out how you can be able to earn up to 20 to 23% on your investments. Now, the investment you've been doing might be paying you around 12, 14, 15 or even 16%, right? But what if I can tell you that you can make up to 20 to 23% on your investment? Now, if this is what you would want to know, I recommend you click on this video you're seeing on the screen right now. Yes, go ahead and click on the video and I will definitely see you on the other side. Keep winning. Yes, don't forget that. Keep winning and always have it at the back of your mind that Leo is rooting for you. And until when I'm going to see you on this video. Bye, comrade.